high-speed taxi to the end. Keep that in mind. Yellow and white RV, exit left into the grass. Welcome to Oshkosh. Great job.
How about that? I know I couldn't move to get the...
Very good RV, thanks.
Yellow RV Jim on Warbird inbound.
Yellow RV, Roger, report a 2 mile right base for 36 against runway 5 minutes 2 miles.
Roger. Two more approaches and then third one for a full stop in the break.
Roger, low approach is going to be on 36 right. You're cleared low approach 36 right.
Okay. 36 right.
You're on the runway 36 right. Keep high speed up, high speed taxi all the way down to the end. And steerman, make sure your turnouts in the pattern are before the tower. Before you hit the tower, make those turnouts.
Okay.
RV, good job there. Exit left into the grass with Admiral. Talking to anybody.
Yeah, I'm the fourth steerman there. You're okay. Just tighten your downwind up a little bit. You could have passed top of your left just fine. And it still looks like it's going to be fine right now.
On the runway, good job, sir. Keep coming down. Left one able, and welcome to Oshkosh.
I'll fall down a little pretty about turn this towards the grass on the turn as well. Big forward inbound, seaplane big.
Big forward, Roger. Enter right base, runway 36 right.
36 right base. And little forward right behind big forward.
Little forward, Roger. Little forward and big forward. Got to fly the forward steerman. So, T40, Roger. Right turn and left field break.
Right turn, left field break. T40 over rotary departing. We'll have to load.
Do you want to do the full circle and then the bug, or you just like to do the right turn out here?
So right turn out, we'll keep the shot to the job.
Steerman, 36 left, and line of furnace. Little forward, call big forward, 36 right, straight away.
Third lane, little forward.
RV, good job, 1 turn left. This forward, all good. I want you to set down a little bit. Let's go down a little bit. Guys on the base, and up high at the top. You're flying for 10, you have 1300. We'll face guys at the top. Guys on the base, like you're 1800. We're going to put a right.
That is 1800. 40 is clear to the southeast. Thank you very much.
T40 CO. And low wing miles off to the airport. You're going to be keeping your altitude 3.
No, sling demo.
Sling demo, Roger, and report a 2 mile right base for runway 36 left. Marquetti, start the brake when you can, runway 36 left, clear to left. Marquetti. And T6, good job, welcome to Oshkosh, keep it up all the way to the end, high speed taxi. Some miles south to the tower, runway 36 right, red square, clear to left. Of course, there's high-speed taxi via, please. Of course, there, Mustang.
Oshkosh Tower, RV, red and white RV demo, over Warburg. Red and white RV demo, roger, report 2 mile right base, runway 36 right. 2 mile right base, 36 right. Mustang, do you want to get off there? Yeah, we can get off there. Alright, well, okay. I think I take the ditch there. I can go all the way to the end, that'd be better for me. I'll hurry it up. Big forward, runway 36 left, line away. 6 forward, line up and wait. Taildragger, mile south tower, number 336 right, red square, third left. Big forward, runway 36 left, clear for takeoff. Big forward, clear for takeoff from traffic here, so if I need to go to the right side, clear land, red square.
I've got an RV mile south of the tower. RV, you're going to be following a Cessna. Red nose low wing cutter in for runway 36 left. 36 left, yellow dot. High wing south of the tower, you're going to go to the right side. Skinny runway. On the red square, you're going to be following the forward tri-motor. Alright, moving forward,
Left turn in the grass, we've got parks coming up behind you, left turn in the grass. 3240 over when we're done. 240, roger, report, would you like the overhead? Yes sir, overhead is not landing, but clear to the southeast again. Roger that, then you can report 1 mile no-show. Against it, running 36 right, clear line, red square. Red square, 36 right. And my F-35s, roll all the way to the end, my guidance there. I want you to go all the way down to the yellow, because the station is great with your buddy ahead. Go to the yellow dot, runway 36 left, for land, exit to the left of the grass, please again. The canard, I want the canard on the purple dot. Please, after landing canard, you can roll to the hard surface and exit to the left. Nice job, guys, excellent. Fairhawk, you're on the right side. Red square, clear to land, roll all the way to the end. Roger that, Fairhawk, demo. Big forward and back. Big forward, roger, in for right base. Silver T6, Wilbur Allen. Silver T6, roger, you behind the big Ford. Second Cherokee, keep it going in the air, down to the yellow dot, maybe just move it past the yellow dot. And the canard, you're doing great, you need to go at least for the purple dot, and then land, and then exit to the left of the first one. Alright, looks beautiful, guys. Forward, Twin Cessna, Fonda Low. Forward, Twin Cessna, report the Allen. Downwind, 1 mile left space, runway 36 left, behind yellow dot. Silver T6, Woodward Island, we're negative on the forward. Silver T6, roger, got the overhead. Second. Would you like the overhead? Negative. Roger, put the 1 mile right base. call?
Blue Howard 500, forward island.
Blue Howard 500, roger, 4 mile at base.
1 mile base.
Yeah, we're starting to know the way on the trim there. Got part